Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share a recipe how to make yogurt at home. I think this is a very simple recipe. It's literally active time. It takes is like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and everything happens. The rest of everything happens in the instant pot with pretty much no attention needed. I honestly would not have even cared to share this recipe, but apparently some of my friends are were sharing that they are not making yogurt at home because it is kind of a lengthy process and they find it really cumbersome. So when I shared my recipe, they were really happy that and they've started making yogurt at home. So I figured that it is worth sharing. And honestly, for any recipe to work with me, work for me is if it is fast, super easy, and this recipe is really working for me. I really every other day make yogurt. My toddler loves this homemade yogurt, and we eat fresh yogurt every other day. We make fresh batch, so it's really tasty, fast, and without further ado, let me just share the recipe. I hope you guys like it. So to make this yogurt at home, all you need is the milk of your choice, a mason jar. I have the 16-ounce ball mason jar here, and the culture of your choice. This is the yogurt that is 2 tablespoons. I made it last time, so it is. I just took it from that, and 2 tablespoons should be just good enough for this much milk. So let me just pour the milk and show you what I'm talking about. So I took this milk. I did not make it all the way full. I just left little room so it doesn't spill over. And I'm going to microwave this for 1 minute, and I'm gonna add 30 seconds to it. So it's a 1.5 minute microwave for my microwave. But I'll tell you what to look for at the end for the temperature. Okay, because the microwaves are different. All the power levels on different microwaves are different. So meanwhile, my milk is being warm. I'm simply stirring this up so that it becomes more like semi-solid, liquidish. It blends and melts easily in the milk. So the milk is out, and all I can say is all you need is a little lukewarm milk and not like a too hot. I can put my finger and I just feel it's little lukewarm on my finger. It should not feel like hot. Absolutely not. Simple lukewarm and it should be fine. If you are not sure on the temperature, just run 1 minute and you should be fine with that. Okay. I'm going to put the culture in, that is yogurt from my previous okay. I have to put the camera down so I can put this whole thing in. Okay, so here goes it, and I'm simply stirring it up so there is no lump anywhere and it blends just fine, and that's ready to go in the instant pot. So guys, here is my small instant pot. There's a 3 quart. This is another one that's a 5 quart, but my small one is just enough for this purpose. So I'm going to leave this whole mason jar in the pot with nothing in it. The pot has nothing in it. You can see it is empty pot with the mason jar on it. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to seal it, and all I'm going to do is put the yogurt mode on, and that's it. I'm gonna show you at the end of 8 hours what the yogurt looks like, so stay tuned. All right, so after 8 hours, I'll just open my lid. Let's see how far it is. This is solid yogurt ready. You guys can see it's perfect. So it's completely stationary, it's not moving. So yogurt is ready to go in the refrigerator. So this is how the yogurt looks like the next day. I'm gonna show you how it breaks and what is the texture you're looking for. So this is a perfect texture for a plain yogurt, and I'm gonna give it to my 2-year-old daughter and let's see how she likes it. Hazel, Mama got you yogurt. Yummy, yummy yogurt.
Down.
Ayam, okay, the down? Okay, I'll put it down. She loves this yogurt so much. Is it yummy? Hazel, is it yummy? Thank you. I love you. I hope you all enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, Nanny.